So we have an update on Dylan Walsh after his qualifying crash, and he said, quote, on his Instagram, "Not the way I wanted to start the season. Unfortunately, suffered a crash in the first round of qualifying at A1 with the handlebars punching a hole into my intestines, which led to internal toxins leading into my bloodstream. I can't thank the Alpinestars medical team enough for their quick action and also the staff at UCI Douglas Hospital for performing emergency surgery, which I was later told by doctors saved my life. Tough pill to swallow, as I was ready to show the 3 months of hard work myself and the host grind because Kawasaki put in this off season. Back on the mend now and looking forward to catching the last few races of the season." And that's the picture right there of his gut. I mean, that's if you poke a hole in your intestines, there's a lot of problems that can go with that. Just a lot of problems. So it's good to see that he's already on the mend, already had the surgery. Obviously, being emergency, that would be the first thing to happen, but he's, already healing. And like you said, catching the last few months or last couple rounds, whatever it is, of the racing, which is going to be cool. You never want to see people go down, especially in the first race. You put all that work in on the off season, all that time and effort, and just to get what, half hour, an hour of racing or qualifying at this point. But hopefully he heals up well and he's back and, everything's good. But in the comments below, you guys tell me. Obviously, San Francisco is today. So tell me what you think. Who's going to win? Is it going to be a mud, or are you excited for that? Whatever it is, comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.